Welcome to Math with Mr. T. Hey everybody, today we get to do some long division. So let's jump right in. The first important thing that you know is that when you're doing long division, you have to be able to set up the problem. So 58 divided by 2 looks like this. 58 divided by 2. Once it's set up, what we do is we take this digit by digit. So you look and you think, how many times does 2 go into 5? Well, 2 goes into 5 2 times. And then what you do is you multiply the 2 by the 2, and we write the 4 right here. Then we subtract to see what's left over. And we have 5 minus 4 is 1. And then we pull down the 8, and we start all over again. 2 goes into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. We draw this line, we subtract, and we come out evenly with 0. So 58 divided by 2 is 29. Let's do it again. 786 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 7 2 times. The 2 goes right above the 7. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we draw a line and we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then we pull the 8 down because that's the next digit. And we start over again. 3 goes into 18 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. And we're going to subtract. And we're going to pull down the 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. And this is going to be nice and perfect. The answer of 786 divided by 3 is 262. Next one, 291 divided by 6. 6 cannot go into 2, so we just keep going. 6 goes into 29. Well, let's think. 4, 5 is too big, so 4 would be the answer. And the 4 goes over the 9. It's very important. Then you do 4 times 6 to get 24. And then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract to see what's left over. We have a 5 left over. So now we need to bring down the 1. And we start over again. 6 goes into 51. Well, let's see. 8 would be 48. And that's going to be really close. 8 times 6 is 48. And we're going to subtract. And we get, let's see, borrow here. We get 3. Now this is where we have a decision to make. We can put remainder 3 because that's what we're left over with. And that's usually what you need to do when you first learn how to do long division. If you are not first learning how to do long division and your teacher would like you to go to decimals, this is what you do next. You put a decimal here, you put a 0 here, and you pull down the 0, and now we have a 30 down here. But it's very important that you put this decimal right up top there, right in line with the other one. So 6 goes into 30 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. We'll subtract those and get 0. So if your teacher wants this as a remainder, it's 48 remainder 3. But as a decimal, it's 48.5. And last but not least, let's do this big guy together. 4,230 divided by 5. 5 cannot go into 4, but 5 goes into 42 8 times. 5 times 8 is 40. And we're going to subtract, and we're left over with a 2. We bring down the 3, and it's going to be, let's see, there are 4 5s in 23. That gets us to 20. And we have a 3 left over. We're going to pull down the 0. And 5 goes into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. And that is going to work out just fine. The answer of 4,230 divided by 5 is 846. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe.